Solve for x. 2 power 5 into bracket power 1 over square root of x is equal to 4. Let us apply the following exponent rules to solve this problem. 1 over a power m is equal to a power negative m, and a power m bracket power n is equal to a power m times n. So now we want to introduce common base on the left hand side and on the right hand side. We want to introduce common base 2, so that this is base 2 and here also base 2. We can make 4 to be 2 power 2. So we can express these as 2 power 5 bracket 1 over square root of x. We can write it as x power 1 over 2 is equal to, we can write 4 as 2 power 2. This is going to give us 2 power 5 bracket 1 over x power 1 over 2 can be written as x power negative 1 over 2 according to this rule. This is equal to 2 power 2. Now we can express this as 2 power 5 times x power negative 1 over 2 according to this exponent rule here. This is equal to 2 power 2. Now we can express this one here as 2 power 5x power negative 1 over 2 is equal to 2 power 2. Now we have common base 2 here, common base 2 here. This implies that we can equate the exponents 5x power negative 1 over 2, we can equate to 2. So we can say that 5x power negative 1 over 2 is equal to 2. We can rewrite this one here as 5 over x power 1 over 2 according to this rule here. This is giving us a 2 over 1. We can cross multiply. 5 times 1 is 5. 2 times x power 1 over 2 is 2x power 1 over 2. We can divide both sides by 2 by 2. 5 over 2 is equal to 2 cancel 2, x power 1 over 2. We can write x power 1 over 2 as a square root of x is equal to 5 over 2. Square root of x is equal to 5 over 2. We can take the square of both sides. X square root of x square is equal to 5 over 2 square. X is equal to 5 over 2 square, which is equal to 25 over 4. Therefore, x is equal to 25 over 4.